What's going on, guys? Your boy Spotter back with a brand new video. First things first, please hit that like and hit that notification button and hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it, so you can share it to your friends and family. And I hope everybody's being safe out there. I hope everybody's doing well and making smart decisions. And let's get to the video. I have here for the Master Airscrew Stealth upgraded propellers for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. And you could obviously straight off the bat, you see the color scheme here. The blue, they call them blue, but they look like a teal blue to me, but they look freaking awesome in my opinion. Check those out. You know, looking good. And also it comes with a little bag. This is dope. I like this little bag right here. That's really cool in my opinion. I had a pair of black ones, but something was going on with them because when I was flying with the drone, there was some type of vibration. So I sent them the email, and he sent me a pair of brand new black ones. And I'm gonna show you right here, a little baggie here, and these are the black ones that are inside. As you can see here, let me get out the bag for you guys. Boom. So these are the black ones that they sent me brand new, and these are great as well. But I wanted to get a pair of blue ones, you know, to see how it looked. But these look freaking awesome. Like I said, I think they're great in my opinion. The performance speeds, I see a little difference. It goes up to 45 miles per hour. These things are supposed to go to 40. So you get 5 more miles per hour out of these propellers. And that's me going against the wind. Because I was going against the wind, I was going 45. And I could probably go up to maybe like 48, maybe close to 50 miles per hour going with the wind. So I haven't really tried that out just yet, but like that's freaking amazing. And the durability is great. You know, they're made plastic, but somehow the way these are designed gives you better performance, and also gives you a bit more flight time. The way they made, but I think these are great in my opinion, and I really can't complain about it. But I would say it's a bit pricey maybe, because do you really want to spend $27 on propellers? Not really. If you got the cash to blow it, why not? But I'm not saying go get it. You have to get it. Like these things are the best things in the world. No, it's not really all that. I would say if you have like broken propellers, especially if you got a broken propeller, you shouldn't be flying with broken propellers. You should get brand new ones right away. And I would suggest get these. Why not? And to get some type of performance and color. You know, it doesn't look boring. It looks kind of cool in my opinion. But that's what I think about these. So the Master Airscrew Stealth upgraded propellers with a DJI Mavic 2 Pro. They got ones for the Mavic Air. They got ones for the Phantom 4 series and all that stuff. But I I can't really complain, man. But please again hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you hit that notification button for the newest videos from me guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll leave the description below to the link if you guys want to get into these propellers for your drone, and to see if you guys want to, you know, upgrade the propellers if you like. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.